Welcome back, motorcycle enthusiasts. Today we're diving into one of the most iconic motorcycles on the market, the 2025 Royal Enfield Bullet 350. Whether you're a longtime Bullet fan or just curious about this legendary bike, this video will give you all the details you need. So, let's hit the road and explore what the new Bullet 350 has to offer. Design and build. The 2025 Bullet 350 stays true to its heritage while adding a touch of modern refinement. With its classic, rugged design, the Bullet's signature round headlamp, retro tank, and timeless silhouette are still front and center. Royal Enfield has retained the solid build quality with a steel frame, but now with a more durable finish to withstand wear and tear, especially for those who love taking their bikes on long rides. Performance and engine. Under the tank, the Bullet 350 houses the all-new J-Series 349cc engine, which produces 20 horsepower and 27 bits of torque. This engine is mated to a 5-speed gearbox, giving you smooth gear transitions and a satisfying power delivery at any RPM. Whether you're cruising on highways or navigating through the city, the 2025 Bullet 350 delivers an excellent balance of power and efficiency, making it a great all-rounder for both new riders and veterans alike. Technology and features. The 2025 Bullet 350 gets a few tech upgrades, including a new digital analog hybrid instrument cluster. This system provides essential information like speed, fuel level, trip meter, and more, while still keeping that old-school feel. Additionally, the bike comes equipped with dual-channel ABS for enhanced safety. The updated lighting setup now includes LED tail lamps, offering better visibility without compromising the Bullet's classic look. Comfort and ride quality. One of the Bullet 350's standout features is its comfortable ride. The well-padded seat and premium suspension system make long journeys a breeze. The telescopic front forks and twin gas-charged rear shocks absorb bumps with ease, providing a smooth ride on most terrains. Whether you're tackling city streets or country roads, this bike is designed for maximum comfort. Pricing and conclusion. So, how much does the 2025 Royal Enfield Bullet 350 cost? The price is expected to start around 1.95 LAC in India, making it an affordable option for those looking to experience the Bullet legacy without breaking the bank. In conclusion, the 2025 Royal Enfield Bullet 350 is a beautiful blend of classic design and modern performance. It stays true to its roots while incorporating much-needed updates that make it more comfortable, safe, and enjoyable to ride. Whether you're new to Royal Enfield or a die-hard fan, the Bullet 350 continues to offer that timeless ride we all know and love. Call to Actio. What do you think of the new 2025 Royal Enfield Bullet 350? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more bike reviews and updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the road.